Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video, I'll show you how to get Snapchat streak back. Whether you've lost your Snapchat streak by accident or on purpose, whatever the situation may be, I'm going to show you how to get it recovered simply by following the instructions I'm about to show you in today's video, and also, this solution works for both Android and iOS devices. First things first, what you want to do is tap the profile button in the top left, and after that, settings in the top right. And then scroll down here, where it says, I need help. I'll touch that. And at the top, I'm simply going to punch in Snap Streaks, which should take you straight to the Snap Streak screen. As you slide down to the bottom, it says what if my Snap Streaks has gone away, but I know that I've sent a snap, not chat, back and forth within the last 24 hours. Then it says right here, if you feel there was an error, please let us know. And it says if there was an error, please let us know. Just tap on let us know. And then tap on I've lost my Snap Streak. And then scroll down a little bit. As you can see, a small form showed up for you to complete. So you only need to give your username and email address, contact information, the phone you're using, and your friend's username that you lost the Snap Streak with. When did you start having this issue, and how long was your Snap Streak before it expired? And after that, you can go to what information should we know, and this is where you need to be as clear and specific as possible. Let them understand exactly what the closest amount is to what you believed your Snap Streak was just before you lost it, and then tap on send. After that, they'll restore that Snap Streak for you in a day or two. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.